Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Jua. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I made this long pencil skirt with an enhanced bolt. Let's get right to the video. So I'll start by taking the starting point of my skirt. The starting point, I'm going to just roll this to the starting point. All my vertical measurement will be taken from that starting point. So for this skirt, it's going to have a band of 1.5 inch. So I'm going to just remove that 1.5 inch from my skirt. Then I'll start taking my measurements. So for this, I'm going to place my tape on it like this because I'm going to be needing a band of 1.5 inch. So I'm going to roll my hip measurement, which is 8, then my knee measurement. So for my vertical measurement, I already need 3 placements, which is my waist, my hip, my knee, then the full length of my skirt. That's all I need in taking a straight pencil skirt. So this pencil skirt, like I said earlier, is going to have a bust contour, like a bust contour. That is, and I'm going to enhance the hip side to make the butt sit properly. You are going to see it when I'm drafting the back of the skirt. So if you're watching this video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel and please like this video. It will help me a lot. So I'm just going to rule all the measurement that I have taken. So I'm going to rule it, then start taking my horizontal measurement. So I'll mark my hip, then I'll add extra 1.5 inch as stitch allowance. Then I'm going to mark everything like this and add my stitch allowance. For my waist, I added stitch allowance. Then I'll mark my hip divided by 4. I'll add stitch allowance. So to get my knee measurement, I'm going to divide my hip. So my hip is 38, so I'm going to remove 6 from 38, making 32, because I want it to be really pencil. But if you don't want it to be too pencil, too tight on the knee side downward, so you are going to remove 4 from 38. Then whatever you get, you now divide it by 4, then you add your stitch allowance. It is that simple. But since I want mine to be a bit tight, I will remove 6 from my hip measurement, which is 38. Then I'll divide whatever I get by 4. That's all. Then I'm going to connect all the dots like this to form my curve. That's all I did. So since I'm not going to be having a dart on the front side, I'll do anything just to make sure I don't have a dart on my front side. So I'm going to come down from the midpoint by 1 inch. Then I'm going to connect it like this, like you see me doing on the video. So I'll come down by 1 inch. Then I'll just connect it like that. I'll just blend it with the waist like a dart. Then I'll cut it off like I did on the video. So that is all drafting of my front bodies. So I'm going to place these front bodies on my back measurement, on my back, to cut my back. So in doing that, you first take your zipper, which is 1 inch. So I put 1 inch for my zipper allowance, then like this. Then I'll place it like this. So instead of just cutting, because I want a butt contour, like I want to enhance my butt area, I'm going to locate my hip side like this. Then I'm going to blend it, do a triangular like a dart like this on it. I'll just blend it from my hip side. I'll blend it to my waist. Then I'll also place it the other way around and also blend it. That is It is very easy like that. That is how you get your butt contour. You first locate your hip area, then you blend it up to your waist, then you also blend it down like a dart like this. So when you cut everything off, that is when you see that curvy side on both sides. So when you wear this skirt, it's going to give you a different fitting. So remember, we took 1 inch off. Since we are going to cut it off, we are going to replace all the measurements like that 1 inch on this side. We are going to replace it on the other side like this. Everything we took, we are going to replace it, and I'm going to add extra 1 inch to my waist since I'm going to be having a dart on the back. So I'm going to replace everything plus my 1 inch dart allowance on the other side like this, like you see me doing on the video. That is how you get your contour butt. It's that easy. You don't have to do too much. That's just basically it. So I'm going to just cut it down. I will not cut it at first, just to show you the effect of what we did, that butt contour. So it's going to look like this, like you see me cutting on the video, like this. If you are watching up to this point, please do well to hit the like button for me, and also if you've learned 1 or 2 from this video, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yeah, that's all you need. That's all you need about butt contour. It's just placing a dart from the hip area and blending it to the waist and blending it down. That's all. So I'm going to notch. So I just notched my zipper side. You have to notch it because at the end of the day, you are going to get confused for where is the zip area. So it's better you notch it. So I've gone ahead to cut my lining for the skirt. So I'm going to stitch the down part first, then I'll top stitch on it before stitching both sides. So in getting my lining, if my full length is 40 and plus my extra stitch allowance and turning allowance is 42, so my lining is going to be 40 and a half. So that is it. So for this, that's the end result after stitching. After joining the lining to my fabric, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what that butt contour that I did, the effect on it on my skirt. I'm going to show you. So in placing my dart, I did that on my skirt. So it is very easy. This is how I do my dart, and you are still going to arrive at what you want. This is how I use it. I just join it like this. Then the midpoint is where my dart will start from. Then I will go down by 5 inch. So that's basically how I get my dart. I go down by 5 inch. I just make it equal like this. Then I locate the midpoint. I stitch to get my 5 inch. So I will show you the effect of that butt contour that I did. You can see the butt area is not totally flat, like it's a bit like it's bulging up like this. That's the effect of the butt contour. So when you wear it, it's going to sit like it's going to create space, room for your butt to sit properly. That's the importance of butt contour. So I'm going to place my fabric like this, right side facing each other. Then I'm going to pin it together and take my measurements. So remember my back side, I already stitched it including the zipper area, I just make a very loose stitch on it so that I can place my measurement like this. At the end of the day, I'm going to remove the stitch before placing my zip side. So I've placed my measurement on it, and I will head over to the sewing machine and stitch it. But before then, this will be my band for my skirt. So remember, always put paper stay on your band. Don't just sew the fabric like this, like that. So I'm going to place it like this. Make sure your band is longer than your actual skirt measurement after taking it round. So I'll place it like this and stitch it. Then that side that is folded will be on the right side. That's the neat way to stitch your band. So at some point, I don't think this voiceover will do much justice. So sometimes you just have to see what I'm doing and do yours too. So after everything, I'm going to, so this is the end result of it. This is what it looks like. It's going to give you a neat job like this while stitching your band. So after this, I'm going to place my zip. I've gone ahead to open my skirt, my slit side. So I'll cut it off like this. I'll place my zip, and that will be the end of this tutorial. So if you are still watching, please do well to hit the like button for me, and also click on the subscribe button for me. Thank you so much for sticking by. Do have a great day, and please don't forget to leave a comment for me if there's anything you don't understand or there's something you want to add to it.